everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my monthly subscription to Maniology, and this is for May. So here we got some hollow flakes, which is very pretty. And then we have a stamping guide, which is nice. And I'm very excited because I don't have any of these plates. Look at how pretty that is. And here's the second one. Animals. And of course you get 2 big polishes. This is a stamping one, which is a very pretty purple shattered B372, and this is a tint, looks like a turquoise glass B371. I also forgot to show you this, what it comes with, and it just tells you about it. Oh, the blue one is a sheer dark teal tint, and the purple is a dark purple stamping polish with metallic undertones, which is really pretty looking. And then here's the other one it comes with. So I'm really looking forward to these stamping plates. So like always, I'm just going to show you what they look like on a swatch stick. Here is the tint, and that's with 2 coats. I don't know if you can tell, but you can kind of see through it, but with the sun you can see it through better. And here is the purple. It's very pretty, you can't tell, but it's got that metallic in it. And now I will just swatch the purple and swatch it on the black and white just to show you. And it's not as dark as I thought it would be. There it is on the white. Here it is. If my camera wants to zoom in, which it doesn't. Let's just swatch it on the stick and see how it goes. And here it is on the black. So this definitely will not look good over black because you can barely see it. So here it is, what it looks like. I've already put my top coat. You can definitely not see the purple very well at all on the black, and here it is on the white. I'm very happy with this monthly box subscription. I do have a 10% code if you would like to go over to that page, check it out, buy anything, save 10%, or get a subscription box monthly. I do recommend it. I think it's worth your money. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Stay tuned. I will have more videos to come and a mani with these 2 plates.